What up, guys? This video is for the guys out there that want to lose a little bit of weight. Summer's coming up. For me, it's boating season, pool season, whatever you want to call it. And this is for the guys, maybe want to pass your CDL health test, your physical. I just want to go over a little bit of what I do. I got injured this winter, so I put on 15, 20 pounds. I was out of the gym for almost 3 months this year. So definitely put on the weight this winter. I could definitely see it in my face and everywhere else. But so now that I'm back in the gym and I'm back on my strict diet, I am on the 16-8 intermittent fasting diet, which is 16 hours off, 8 hours on to eat. So what I do is I start my meal at 10 o'clock in the morning and then have my last meal by 6 o'clock in the afternoon. So for me, this is as a local trucker. I know this isn't as useful for you long haul guys, but if you're a local trucker and you're somebody that could be home at least every day or even every third day, I do my meal prep for 3 days in a row. So I try to buy cheap. I buy chicken legs, I buy pork chops. Very rarely do I have any steak, but have been able to find some deer pretty cheap. But a good example today, this was meal prepped. I buy the bagged vegetables, like the broccoli and mixed vegetables that I can steam for 7 minutes. And then I buy sweet potatoes and bagged rice and quinoa. So like today, I got pork chops, sweet potatoes, and broccoli. Now this is gonna be 2 of my meals for the day. This is not just one meal. So I'll eat half of this at 10 o'clock, and then I'll eat the other half, I don't know, somewhere around 1:30-ish or so. But so that would be the 2 meals of my day right there alone, cooked all at once. And then what I do is I bring some kind of snack, whether it be trail mix. I always do a lot of the raw almonds, and then I like the hard-boiled eggs. And you can look all this stuff up on YouTube and Google. And I like to use OpenAI Chat GPT now for meal plans and stuff. That's a real good one if you guys want to look up some meal plan stuff. But you can, even on that Chat GPT, say, hey, I want to make meals for under a certain amount of money, and it'll make you a whole meal plan. So, but that's what I do to try to stay healthy and get in shape for the summer, and try to stay in shape year round, honestly. As I'm getting older, I'm 45 this year. It gets harder to stay, in the shape you were when you were younger. So diet becomes more important. And if you want to get your health in order, diet is very, very important. And just, it's hard when you're a trucker, getting the exercise in. I'm fortunate. I get off a lot of times early. Shit, yesterday I was off at 9:30 in the morning. Well, I got lucky. Doesn't always happen, but I can usually make it to the gym at least 4 to 6 days a week, which is fortunate for me. But I do also, you can see right here, this is one of my resistance bands I keep in my truck. This is all I need to get a workout in while I'm waiting to load up. I take this outside the truck, hang it on my truck, connect it to something, step on it, do my curls. I can get a lot of workouts in with that thing. And then what I do also while I'm waiting at load ups, because I could have anywhere from 5 to 6 load ups a day, I'll get my walking in. And I wear a hoop strap on my arm. I don't know if you guys heard of this, but this is from I got this off of Joe Rogan's podcast when they do Sober October. And I wear this every day. It monitors everything. Your sleep, your calories burned. Now it even monitors your stress levels and stuff. So it's very good to monitor your health and whatnot. So so far for me this year, now that I've gotten back in the gym from my injuries, I've already lost, I think, God, I was up right above 275. I'm down right about 266, so I'm almost 10 pounds already. down, and it's the end of March, and I really didn't start going until March 1st this year, so we'll see how it goes. And the one thing I am leaving out is every morning I do a morning detox drink, and what it is, you can find it. I think I have it back in one of my video shorts. I could probably make another one if somebody wants me to, but all it is 24 ounces of water, a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. I put a dash of the cayenne, like your seasoning cayenne. I put a dash of that in there. I get a whole lemon, squeeze a whole lemon in there, and then I get like the liquid IVs, but non-sugar. So a no sugar a hydration stick, and then you add that. So all it is water, apple cider vinegar, lemon, the hydration stick, and the cayenne pepper. That is the first thing I have in the morning, and the only thing I have, and I just drink that. And then I also take that with my my vitamin regimen, which I also got from Joe Rogan. If you can't tell, I'm a Joe Rogan fan. But I take my B, my zinc, my D vitamins. I take a fish oil and C vitamin. And I think that's all I could think of. Oh, B12, a lot of that. So that's about it. I take that drink first thing in the morning, and that really starts flushing me out pretty quick. And actually, drinking that 24 ounces of water starts you in a good, I'd say it starts you good off for the day with your water, first of all, but then you can tell, you start peeing right away, get your body flushing out. So that's it. Drink that thing first thing in the morning, and then try, if you can, the best you can, to spread out that intermittent fasting. You don't have to go as extreme as I do with the 8-hour window. You could go a 10-hour window, but that's kind of the best way to do it. And really, honestly, without the intermittent fasting, if you just keep your diet to, me, it's a lot of chicken, a lot of pork, a lot of vegetables, and then just, sweet potatoes, salads, just as healthy as I can get. And I switch from stop eating the ice creams and stuff at night, and I always have at night my dessert, which sounds gross to most people, but I'll do cottage cheese. Some people could do yogurt plain, but I do cottage cheese instead of ice cream, and that really helps out. So that's my diet plan for the year. Got to get the rest of this weight off. You get up around these 270s, 260s, that's when your knees, hips, everything starts to hurt, and we got to pass that physical, right? So this is what you got to do in order to get it done. Get your workout in on your truck. You sit there in your truck, get out, walk around, get those calories burned, track it on your wrist. If you can get one of these or something similar, you can keep track, and if you can look throughout the day. This thing's attached to my phone. I know exactly what I've done throughout the day, and if I need to step it up at the end of the day, do some more walking. I need a hip replacement, so I can't really do too much. In the summer, I got my pool, I can swim, but in the winter, it's way hard for me to try to get the weight off. So all I can do is just walk a lot, and then get as much little exercise as I can in. So that's about it for my health recommendations for you guys. I've had a couple guys ask me, and I hope that helps. All this stuff, man's online. You don't need a coach. You don't need a trainer. You can find everything you need online for free. Yeah, just look it up. So, all right, guys, I will catch you next time with an actual Moffat and flatbed video. But if you ever want any food or meal prep advice from me personally, you can ask. I don't care. I like to help out if I can. I've been fortunate to play sports a lot longer than most people and have professional trainers, so I can recommend a few good things or supplements if you'd like. But I will catch you guys next time, and I hope everybody's having a nice day, and I'll talk to you later.